Hi, I am Umesha Yamma. Today I am going to discuss regarding relationship between business ethics and corporate social responsibility. Here, business ethics is a form of applied ethics or professional ethics that examines the ethical principles and moral or ethical problems which arise in business environment. Whereas corporate social responsibility is the continuous commitment of business to behave ethically and contribute to economic development while improving the quality of life of the workforce and their families as well as the local communities and society at large. Here, business that exhibit and promote strong corporate codes of ethics are more prosperous in the long run because they show a commitment to an expectation of sound moral behavior. Here, if the particular business follow ethics that will automatically discharge the responsibility of the company, that is corporate social responsibility. Next, business ethics demonstrates a dedication to society, customers, employees, and the business itself. That is, business ethics demonstrate a dedication to society, customers, employees, and the business itself. And it also enhances a company's reputation if they become commonly known as ethical company. If the particular company is ethical company, if the particular company is following either in terms of production or in terms of management or in terms of distribution or marketing, if it is an ethical company, that it will enhance company's reputation and brings more value to the organization. And the companies that are following highest ethical policy must communicate clearly a strong and contemporary code of ethics to employees who are formally trained in it and invited to deal with ethical challenges. Here, ethics policy is concerned with providing the assurances essential to all trust based relationships. It does not regulate only business conduct and personal acts but also offers an important form of liability. The interpretation of theory in business literature and society considers that both CSR and business ethics are the same. In fact, business ethics are part of corporate social responsibility and vice versa. That is, ethics is also a part of corporate social responsibility. In addition, locating an organization's pressure points that highlight the need for CSR action is recommended. The first pressure point is the firm's values and ethics. The normative stakeholder theory in CSR, which draws its philosophy from ethics. Business corporations are morally responsible to look after the concerns of a large group of stakeholders, that is, include owners, that is, because they contribute capital to the organization and at the same time they are expecting return from the organization. It is ethically, that is, while distributing the profit or the dividend, whatever the profit distributed to shareholders, that should come from, that is, ethical point of view. And the customers, in the case of customers, whether the customers are receiving the quality products, quantity at reasonable prices or not. In the case of vendors, whether they are the particular vendors are receiving payments promptly. In the case of employees, whether the employees are getting salary correctly or not, whether the proper facilities are provided to employees or not, and as well as the community. A socially responsible firm holds a holistic view of itself in relation to its stakeholders and measures its performance via economical, financial, environmental, and social. That CSR seeks a path which advances all the three measures, none of the cost of the others. That is, nobody should harm, nobody should getting pain from the particular business. That is, either it may be a stakeholders, or maybe the customers, or maybe the vendors, or maybe the owners. Nobody should get any pain from the company. That is, CSR seeks a path which advances all the three measures. That is, none of the cost of the others. That is, this is regarding relationship between corporate social responsibility and business ethics.